Welcome back to the Don Bosco Diaries, where we bring the stories of determination, hard work, and success. Today, we will talk about why children have difficulty listening to their parents. Joining me today is teacher Deepika and Akshay. Welcome to the podcast.
Thank you, teacher.
By the way, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for having me. I'm very excited for this part.
I'm too doing well. Thank you for having me here.
It's my pleasure. So, for the second episode of our podcast, we will be talking about why children have difficulties listening to their parents and what can parents do about it. So, let's dive in.
Yes.
What factor is distraction? With screen and social media all around, it is quite difficult for children to focus on verbal communication.
Okay, I understand. Sometimes I just surf on my tablet and I don't even hear my parents talking to me.
Exactly. We're on the same page. Even babies are introduced to screen at a very young age, making it easier for parents but more challenging for kids to remain attentive. By kindergarten, many kids are addicted to screens.
That's true. And I think another factor is freedom. We encourage children to express themselves, which is wonderful, but at times it can result in a strong desire for more independence, which lead to disagreement.
Yes, you know what? Adolescents often think they know better than others, and when we try to correct them, they may perceive you as their worst enemies. What's your take on it?
Sometimes I just want to do my own thing, but I believe that my parents are being too strict.
This is also that parents nowadays often allow their children to do anything they want without any punishment. When I was a kid, ignoring my parents had a serious consequences. However, parents are nowadays cautious about raising their voices.
That's true. And I think this can have a great impact in the communication between parents and children. And I feel like respect is lacking nowadays.
I believe it is difficult to appreciate our parents as they don't appear to respect our thought either.
Yes, indeed. You see, yelling is not always effective when parents speak with their children. Children may respond better to a calm and respectful tone because understanding every child's behavior is critical.
Definitely, parent needs to understand their children because modern life and family expectations are another obstacle for a stressful life. And stress impair children listening ability. Distractions such as screen usage, academic pressure, and family difficulties, this can all lead to a shorter attention span on children. So, ma'am, would you like to suggest some strategies to parents?
Again, I'd like to suggest some strategies to improve listening skills and kids. First of all, set clear expectations and specify what you want them to listen to. The second point is encourage children to communicate their thoughts and actions by asking questions. And the third one is maintain consistency and patience until they learn to listen well. Afterwards, recognize and praise good listening abilities. And the last but not least, parents should listen to their kids without judging them so that kids can express their views more openly.
In my opinion, parents should have moral good behavior with family members because we children mimic what we observe. Secondly, parents respect quality time with their children, particularly throughout the adolescent year.
You're absolutely right, Laksha.
That's true. Thank you, Akshay, and thank you, ma'am, for sharing your views. I hope this will be very helpful for our parents. Well, implementing these strategies can significantly improve communication between parents and children. Well, we have come to the end of this episode. Thank you for joining us on the Don Bosco Diaries. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Join us next time for more interesting conversation. This is Vante, signing off.